Hi everyone, Arjuman from PureSilver.io. Let me introduce you today to Arivana plate. This is a fantastic piece where the borders are embossed. Each line is handmade individually. And there are different types of themes you can go with. This is an Ashlashmi theme, one of the best sellers in its category. It's used primarily for religious purposes. We've got 100 plus new designs. This plate is 430 grams, 430, and the diameter is 10.75 inch. You can shop the same item, hallmarked for $9.25 at PureSilver.io. We do insured shipping worldwide, and you're welcome to check out 100 plus new designs. Thank you.